Hey guys, welcome to the American channel, and today we are going to look at another one of the Tecno Spark 4 variants. This time around, this is the Tecno Spark 4 Air. It's the smaller sibling to the Tecno Spark 4, which we have reviewed. You can check the full review on the website. So yeah, it should be everything that the Air is, except the price and a few minor details here and there, which we'll be looking at in the review of it. First of all, let's go right into it and see what comes in this box. So first things first, we have to peel off this polythene. Now that we are done with that, there's still this sticker to do away with. Okay, sticker cut. Let's go right into it. Okay, so here's the form. This is the Tecno Spark 4 Air. It has, as you can see here on this sticker in front, that 2 GB of internal storage, 2 GB of memory, a 13 megapixel dual eye camera, a 6.1 notch screen. So these are actually some of the key differences you note. So 2 cameras on the Spark 4, there are 3. 6.1 inch on the Spark 4, of course it's a 6.52 inch display, or dot notch, or whatever technology is calling it. This feels lighter, feels more plasticky. I'll get back to it in a moment. There's a small sticker here. Of course, case, now hard shell case, a screen protector. Good thing this is not applied. A warranty information card. There's a reason why it was lighter. See, a removable battery. This should go right behind here. And here's a pair of headsets. I like the ones that we find on the Spark 4, so let's see if these ones are like that. Yeah, same design aesthetic. Here's your wall brick to plug in the cable, and in our Spark 4 unboxing video, we actually forgot to find the cable from the side. So here it is, micro USB cable, charging and data transfer. And interestingly, our SIM ejector tool is missing. Do you know why it's missing? Because you just need to remove the back. You have no need for it. I guess that you might do the box for something like that. So, and the speaker here is at the back. So down here you just have the 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB port, and that's about it. Interesting. So let's pop open the back. Here's our back, and right here is where the battery goes. Yes, now we have the kind of weight that you'd expect in a box such a device. Thank you for watching this far. So let's see how we can peel back these stickers in a bit. Okay, let's peel this. That was quiet. Again, the back. Okay. Notice that design. Not sure if the camera can capture it well, but you see that? Yes. So that's what you're looking at with the Tecno Spark 4 Air. Not sure if this can be seen in the camera, but the bezels are noticeably larger here and more pronounced, but pretty much the same design aesthetic as the Tecno Spark 4. That is all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.